Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert smart chips in Google Sheet. Let's get started with the first method, adding a people smart chip. First, click on an left empty cell where you want to insert the smart chip. Then type an email address in that cell. Now right click on the cell containing the email address. Scroll down the menu and select smart chips. Hover over the option and click convert to people chip. You will see the email address turn into a people smart chip. Now let's move on to the second method, adding a file smart chip. Right click on an empty cell, scroll down and select smart chip, then click on file. Next, left click on the file you want to insert from your list of Google Sheet or Google Docs files and press enter. The file will be inserted as a smart chip in your sheet. Finally, let's take a look at how to insert a calendar event smart chip. Right click on an empty cell, scroll down and select smart chips, then click calendar event. Left click on the event you created earlier in Google Calendar, then press enter. And the event will be inserted as a smart chip. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.